राजस्थान रॉयल्स, ओ मेरे सीसॉ रॉयल्स। पड़ गया ना सीसॉ महंगा, बोला था सुधर जाओ, पर नहीं। एक साइड हम एमआई को हराएंगे और फिर एसआरएच के सामने हारेंगे। एंड में झक मार के बेन स्टोक्स हैड टू से, and he single-handedly won the match against Kings 11. All the playoff spots are open now. Anybody can win. All other teams are calling you their savior. And you managed to lose a game against KKR. And not just lose, but lose badly enough to crash from 5th position all the way up to 8th position. अबे inconsistency भी रो पड़ेगी भाई तुमको देख के। एंड में कोई काम धंधा नहीं था, सो ट्विटर पे सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद के साथ पंगा ले लिया। एसआरएच के मैच के पहले बोले वी विल हैव हैदराबादी बिरयानी फॉर डिनर टुनाइट, एंड फिर मैच हारने के बाद लोगों ने इतनी ट्रोलिंग की कि झक मार के ट्विटर से बिरयानी, लार्ज बिरयानी वर्ड्स को बैन करने की नौबत आ गई। वाह मेरे शेर वाह। एंड में बाकी सब ने बिरयानी आपस में बांट ली और तुम बैठे रहे दाल बाटी खाते। अब करो एंजॉय। I admit, I made a mistake in my earlier video. I said that Kings 11 Punjab should be called Kings Filmy Punjab. Nope, not filmy. At this point, you deserve to be called the Kings Hindi Serial Punjab. अबे हर मैच के एंड में ट्विस्ट। At this point, things have devolved into अबे IPL जरा बोरिंग हो रहा है, जाओ जरा Kings 11 को बुलाओ।
आप भी ठीक करके देता हूँ। हाँ ठीक। ए ढीले, जरा डीजल डाल।
From being down and out at one point to winning 5 matches on a trot to losing in an easy to win match. Each match was a nail biter. And finally, you decide to get knocked out by Chennai Super Kings. Seriously, CSK which was out, which had rested half of its team. That short run has really come to bite you in the ass, hasn't it? Anyways, at least you have got Chris Gayle at 41. Not only is he older than most of the players, but even most of the coaches. He managed to hit 1000 sixes in T20 history. Let me put this in context. He has hit 0.06% of all bowls bowled in T20 history for a six. Not IPL history, but T20 history. Frankly, 0.06% also happens to be the chances of a match being dull if you have Gayle in it. But with him being bought by Salman Khan to play in Sri Lankan Premier League, Preity Zinta is gonna have some serious competitions. But frankly, you don't need to be worried about him. If you have to worry about someone, worry about Maxwell. He couldn't be bothered to score a single run in 14 matches with an average of only 15 runs. And mind you, he dropped Ben Stokes, who went on to score a bloody century in the end though. You all achieved your objective, I guess. Not winning the IPL, nah. But jump-starting your future TV serial careers. Well, better luck next time. Kolkata Knight Riders. Now, I won't say anything about Karthik having 9 single-digit scores in 14 matches, or Russell being as useless as a Nokia charger, or the fact Pat Cummins 1 wicket cost you 1.21 crores. All that's fine, that is expected from you. Just tell me one thing. How is it possible that each and every time the match starts and straight away you're down by 3 to 4 wickets? यही करना है तो टाइम क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हो भाई सबका? पहले उनको रिटायर्ड हर्ट बोल दो और भेजो यून मॉर्गन को खेलने को. As it is, nobody other than him wants to stay on the crease. And another thing, is there a clause in Ferguson's contract that he can't bowl in power play? या किसी ने मुहूर्त निकाला है कि 12th ओवर के पहले ना उसको बॉलिंग करने मत देना? If not, then how does it make sense that your ace bowler doesn't bowl in the first 6 overs? And still, with all this happening, Eon Morgan carries you on his shoulders and takes you against the hill with RR. Now you are sitting in 5th place. NRR is good. Highest chances of all the teams. Finally playoffs. DC and RCB, hum bhai, hum dono qualify. Then MI sits half of its team to let Sunrisers Hyderabad win by 10 wickets and qualify. The entire KKR team at this point must be going from
ये तो कुछ समझ के परे है, बिल्कुल ही समझ के परे है. इस पे एक बहुत बड़ा प्रश्न चिन्ह खड़ा होता है, ये कैसे हो गया?
2.
चीटिंग करता है तू, चीटिंग करता है तू.
So what's done is done. Another year, another good team, another group stage exit. Maybe try making a bad team next year. Everything else has failed. Maybe that will work. Chennai Super Kings. We have started a petition to delete the year 2020 from history. क्योंकि देखो, कोरोना तक ठीक था, but CSK not making into playoff. Such transgressions against cricket should be striked off from the pages of history. Still, शेर हारा तो अकेले नहीं हारा.
पर इस बार मैं अकेला नहीं आऊंगा, 4-5 आदमी लेकर आऊंगा.
पहले किंग्स 11,
लेकिन अपन जाएगा नहीं, टेंशन नहीं लेने का. अब तू देख अपन क्या करते हैं.
then RCB, and finally even KKR. अबे हमें क्या दफनाओगे बुड़बक, हम पूरे गांव को साथ में लेके जाएंगे. And frankly, after watching Ruturaj Gaikwad hit 3 consecutive half centuries and Dhoni definitely not retiring, I'm telling you, just make a new team. Take Ruturaj Gaikwad, Rahul Tripathi, Ishan Kishan, Surya Kumar, D. Patikal, Sanju Samson, S. Gill. Bowlers में रवि बिश्नोई, नगर कोटी, एस मवी, वरुण चक्रवर्ती, एम सूरज, टी नटराजन, अब्दुल सामद और अर्शदीप. और अगर बी टीम चाहिए तो अक्षर पटेल, एम अश्विन, नितेश राणा, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा, आर टवेटिया, एन सानी, पी गर्ग, यशस्वी और राहुल चहर. एंड देन मेक धोनी द कैप्टन. अबे इतना स्पार्क मिलेगा कि आईपीएल छोड़ो, अगले 4 वर्ल्ड कप जीत के आएंगे बच्चे. सो इन शॉर्ट, इस साल तो नहीं, पर अगले साल रॉयल चैलेंजर्स बैंगलोर.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
At this point, I can't even call you chokers, because even chokers lose one match. You decided to lose 5 consecutive matches, from top 2 contention to bleak playoff chances. And then, by some you qualify even after losing. And then, you get knocked out in the eliminators by Sunrisers Hyderabad. 12 years, 2 of the best batsmen in the world in the last 5 years, and still 0 trophies. If the Ulta Fulta 2020 couldn't change your fortunes, तो कोई तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर सकता.
तुम्हारे लक्षण बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं लग रहा, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
One thing is clear though, the real low point this year has been Virat Kohli. It's not about getting runs. People can have an off year, but you, the captain of the Indian team, aggressively sledging an uncapped young Indian player, especially after the player was not picked for the Australian tour in spite of a stellar IPL performance. Then you go on to add the fact that you were busy partying just before the eliminator match, calling it a playoff party.
कल रात ये लोग पिज़्ज़ा खाते रहे हैं, यहाँ पे हम लोग इनसे इतनी उम्मीदें बना के बैठे हैं कि क्या हो रहा है इधर.
RCB and Kohli have been so disappointing this year that even my comedy is starting to feel like tragedy. I've got a final request though. Please send De Villiers to some other team. That man truly deserves to win a trophy, so please sell him to some team where he can finally get one. Sunrisers Hyderabad. So from rank 7th in middle stages to playoffs, to MI playing their B team against them, and then completely demolishing RCB in the eliminator. I had made a huge script for Sunrisers Hyderabad, but let me show you mine and Sunrisers' feeling in this IPL in a nutshell. Delhi Capitals. This is the only team that can make the most exciting phase of the tournament into the most boring one. Tell me truthfully, क्या खुन्नस है भाई KKR के साथ? All you had to do was win with 15 balls to spare. And still the groups would have been interesting, but no. In one match, you had to close all but one spot.
मजा रुको ये पकड़ो पकड़ो अब तुम इसे मारो
दूंगा मैं तेरा भाई हूँ साले छोड़ दे साले
एक तो इस पॉइंट तक पहुंचे कैसे वो बताओ जरा. You are at the top and then you managed to lose 4 games on a trot. RCB and DC कुंभ के मेले में बिछड़े हुए भाई लगने लगे. Anyways, it's fine. It was in the past. All that's over now.
Control, Uday.
Let's just defeat Mumbai Indians and get to the finals. Shikhar Dhawan has actually declared that he has a plan to deal with the Mumbai bowling. He has got this and he goes out for a duck.
तुम्हारे जैसे लोग इस देश के लिए श्राप है. पहले सपने दिखाते हैं और फिर कहते कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता.
2 centuries followed by 2 ducks. बब्बर शेर का भीगी बिल्ली बन के रह गया है. At least 2 centuries तो मारी. Shaw on the other hand follows after him with another duck. 0 for 3. सच बताओ, am I covering cricket और फुटबॉल? सच कहूं तो ये स्कोर देखकर ना दिल्ली डेयरडेविल्स की याद आ गई बाय गॉड. और आगे क्या होना था? फाइनल्स में खेलने उतरी तो दिल्ली डेयरडेविल्स ही ना. 157 का टारगेट रखा एंड सीधे सीधे नो ड्रामा स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड लॉस. बाय द एंड श्रेयस अय्यर ने रबाडा एंड नॉटजे के ओवर्स भी संभाल के रखे अगले आईपीएल में यूज करने के लिए. रे गलती से विकेट निकाल ली और मैच इंटरेस्टिंग कर दी तो. एनीवेज चलो आईपीएल तो मिला नहीं, कम से कम रबाडा को पर्पल कैप तो मिल गया. अब घर पे लेकर जाओ और मम्मी को दिखा देना कि आईपीएल ट्रॉफी है बोल के.
किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा.
Mumbai Indians. With RCB and CSK already out, there wasn't much suspense left, was there? This entire season, MI had started looking like the big bad villain who can trounce anybody. At this point, people will even cheer for Lahore Qalandars if they can put a scratch on Mumbai. I mean, think about it. This MI team feels like a 10-armed octopus. You deal with Bumrah, there is still Bolt and Pollard waiting to destroy you. And even with Rohit being injured and healthy at the same time, they still are the only team to have 3 batsmen in the top 10 run getters list. That's not even taking into account Satyakumar and Pollard. Each match with Mumbai Indians seems to have a different hero. So एक side पे you have the in-form, potential 5-time and 2-time consecutive winners. Arguably the best T20 team in the world. On the other side, बस क्या होना था? आई थिंक इस साल सारे इंटरेस्टिंग मैचेस का कोटा ग्रुप स्टेज में ही खत्म हो गया. इतनी वन साइडेड मैच देखकर ना धोनी की याद आ गई. सीएसके तभी भी हारती, पर कम से कम मैच तो लास्ट बॉल तक जाता. मैं बोल रहा हूं अगले साल टूर्नामेंट खिलवाने में ना टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. बेस्ट ऑफ आईपीएल 11 वर्सेस एमआई करवा दो, कम से कम देखने में तो मजा आएगा.